In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front side marker light on this Volkswagen Jetta. Let's get into it. Now we're going to take a trim tool and on the back side, right here, just push it forward. You just want to pry it out. There's two little tabs right there. You're trying to get that off. And then the whole light kind of slides out a little bit. There's a little spring tension there. And grab the socket and just slide it right out. It just pulls straight out. The bulb is a 194 bulb. Just grab the bulb and it slides right out. You can replace it with a new bulb. Reinsert it the same way. Just slides in place. Now take the socket, slide it into the light. There is two little tabs. They do line up a certain way, just like that. You can see there's a couple markings on the side there. Get that in and push it down. Then take the light. We're going to take it on the spring side. That's going to go in first. Push that little tab underneath. And line this back up. And just push it in. And lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.